This is my neighbour's cat. I left the door open to the balcony and he just came on in, helped himself. Hello and welcome back. I'm sitting here trying to dodge some sort of weak sunlight that's coming in the window. I don't want it in my eyes, but the light is really beautiful. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre. So I've still got to really focus on just getting my days back to being super productive. Like today, for example, yes, got up nice and early, yes, got dressed, made my bed, had my shower, did all those things. Haven't had my green smoothie yet, that's probably the problem. Things haven't gone well. I did have breakfast. I actually had oatmeal, which I don't normally have, but I just felt like something nice and warm. It's about 12, 13 here today. It's not very warm, despite the sort of weak, watery sun, which is what, about, I don't know, 55 or something Fahrenheit? Is that approximately right? Anyway, it's a perfectly okay day, and there's now this little bit of sun leaking through. So I've just got to get myself organised. I've been cooking and doing things like that for the kids, and obviously, holding baby while they sleep. I will never say, hey, I'm too young to be a grandmother, because, hey, it's pretty good. It's a really good job if you can get it. Today I thought, right, I'm going to make the list. You know, me and lists. Pencil, paper. You know, because I'm a pencil and paper person. What am I going to start with? Well, there's that light again. I'm going to have to move. Oh my God. Just a minute. I'm going to pull a curtain across. Or even put that blind down. Yeah. God, I can't believe I did that. I just put a blind down to knock out the sun, and it's in winter. Oh, I'm chopping my head off. Okay, hang on. Don't want to chop my head off. Okay, back now. I can wriggle around again now. Okay, so where am I going to start? Well, as I said, it's, did I even say this? I'm going to get back to my zone cleaning. So it's technically week 2 of the zone cleaning process. Week 1 for me is a walkway entrance into the apartment. Then I've got quite a nice sized little hallway. If you've seen my apartment tour, you will know what it looks like. If not, I'll put a link up here. There we are, apartment tour link. I'll better write it down because I'll forget, won't I? And then I also include the balcony. So I've really sort of done that. Week 2 is my kitchen. So my fridge. I'm going to do my fridge right now, and I've stopped talking to you. So I've got to do the fridge, and I've got to do the pantry, and wipe down the cupboards and do all of that sort of thing. Kitchen it is. Let's have a look in here. Let's see. I mean, look, it's not bad. It's just grubby and I mean, look, I've got bacon sitting next to bok choy. This is not good. And it's messy down in there. The freezer, I think, is pretty much okay. What I will do is get some little baskets to set things apart. And, well, I have an awful lot of Brussels sprouts in there, don't I? I know that's because the kids love them. I know they're the only people on the planet who love them, but they do. And I use them in roast vegetables, and for myself, but also whenever the family's coming over. So when they're on special, I buy them. But what I need to do is to just stack them all in one place, work out what else I've got, make a list of what I don't, and see the you see, I have corn in the fruit area where there's also bread and some oh my God, they're Easter buns. Okay, Easter buns need to be eaten. The bread's fine. That only went in there the other day. There's some cherries. These are my sort of tasty treat rather than eating desserts. Frozen blueberries are great as well. Look, yeah, see, it's grimy. Look, icky. Okay, this is real. I'm just going to empty out everything, put it on the bench, and what's over here? Oh, pretty okay. I think these are condiments of various kinds. I keep some vitamins and things in here because it's easy. These ones are the tall ones. And what I normally do is boil up some eggs and put cooked eggs in here. I also have to refizz some water because this is old and flat. Okay, milk down this end. I just discovered my almond milk that I like is actually made in America. I'm amazed. I suppose it comes out in a big tanker or a big bladder or something, and then they bottle it and put on the Australian labelling things here. But anyway, so water has to be fixed. Apart from that, it's okay. I need a list of the things that I need to repurchase. Okay, that's the top emptied. And you can see I've just got to wash it. Let me see what I've got. Some butter that I have, that I cook with, you know, the block butter. And I keep it in a little tub, and I keep the cheese in a bag in a tub to keep it nice and fresh. And this is the spreading butter, and I always just buy when it's ever on sale because it's not cheap. Tell me, can I freeze butter? That's what I've never thought about doing. There's just some, oh, they're okay. There's some wraps that I have. I really like the spinach ones, and I opened those a day ago, so they're fine. I need some more seeds and nuts, and I'll put those on my list. I've got chia seeds here that I need to eat. That I just looked at, it's fine. That's just empty. It should have just my homemade vinaigrette in it. That is fine too. That they are just sun-dried tomatoes. This is not, and I'm really sad about that because that's a big thing of applesauce, and that's got to go out. That's not even opened. Oh, do you like this girl? I'll show you what she does in a minute. I'll pop her over here. That's fine. That's the mayo. These are some rather elderly olives. They can go out. Everything else is not even open. Now let me show you this great little thing here. So you take her head off, and inside it, oops, isn't much, but there's baking soda. So I'll replenish her because she helps to keep the fridge from getting stinky. See, she's going, don't want it to get stinky. Isn't she cute? Friend bought her for me. Here I just have bacon that I'll put away here. Quickly wash these and put them away. And just to make you laugh, what else do I have in my refrigerator but tulip bulbs that I have to plant. And I just wanted them to have a good chill. So they've been in there for about 3 weeks now, so I really do have to plant them and hopefully get some beautiful white tulips and these really gorgeous pink striped ones in the spring. But yes, they are in my refrigerator because you have to chill them really well in our climate because they just don't get cold enough to give them a really good start. I have a hot warm cloth and I have the Method cucumber spray, and that's because along with everything else that I haven't been doing, I haven't bought vinegar and I don't have any more white vinegar. And here I go, back to normal, which is rather nice. I've got my tulips in here waiting. I've got to get some more almonds and macadamias probably. Got enough walnuts in there and some pine nuts. Yeah, that's all clean, fresh, washed out everything. Bacon's properly into a meat keeper. Fruit sitting back in there. That's just those wraps that I had opened yesterday. I've refilled my little fridge deodorizing girl, and this is all nice and fresh and clean. And in here I've got my little mason jars that I have not recently but will again fill up with salad. I've properly fizzed my water again, and there's a still water refreshed there as well. And down here I haven't really done much, I've just wiped it out. That's done, it's all wiped down, and this is just its control, see? Gets all excited if you tap it. There we go. So that's done. And I'm just going to clean out my sink with the old baking soda that was in the little deodorizing girl. Baking soda is such a great cleaner. And so give it a good scrub. Well, that looks a bit better. The refrigerator's a bit noisy because it's busy cooling down because I've had the doors open, I've done the floor, given everything a good wipe down, just about to make myself a cup of tea, or maybe coffee. I deserve a coffee. Given everything a quick wipe, which is good, including putting out the rubbish and cleaning all the sink and things. And this is my guggle jug. I can never remember how to say it. It makes that most wonderful noise when you fill it up. I'll show you one day. It's my niece's, and my niece gave it to me and I keep it there because it always reminds me of Joe. Okay, I'm back. I finished that. I've made myself a coffee. I burned it this time. Sorry, I should wriggle around so you can see more of the plants. I'm really happy with that. It does make me feel better. Okay, what's next? I will maybe do the pantry, maybe do my wardrobe. It is driving me a little bit crazy. So if you would like to follow along while I get my groove back, then please do. Give me a thumbs up. Keep me encouraged because you know you are my accountability buddies. And subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any when I post. So I hope that whatever you're doing today, you're having a wonderful time, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.